In 1999, I was introduced to the concept of word-of-mouth marketing, referral marketing, network marketing, whatever you want to call it. And it forever altered my way of thinking. And once I understood the power of residual income, and you know, duplication and multiplication, you know, when it comes to business, when it comes to a business like this, where you can share it with others and build a huge organization and get paid, you know, residual income and give yourself a raise anytime you want to. I mean, the advantages of a home-based business like this, you know, are extraordinary. Well, fast forward to 2018, and here I am involved with TrueNited. I found it on my own and evaluated it and chose to join it simply because I saw that it had the prerequisites for success. Some of the factors that I know, having been involved with this industry for, you know, 15 plus years, that I have seen work time and time again. And on top of that, TrueNited has also solved some of the problems that have been plaguing the industry for a long time. And so I just, you know, I'm just blown away by this company. I think it's going to be very, very successful. Definitely going to be a huge winner. Likely a $1 billion plus company. You know, and you know, and some companies don't make it to the $1 billion mark. I believe TrueNited is going to make it to the $1 billion mark and beyond. Likely going to be a multi-billion-dollar company. And you know, it's only a couple years old, so the opportunity here is huge. And you know, when you talk about ground floor, this is truly ground floor. We're pioneering something that is really extraordinary. Name brands that people are familiar with, gift cards that you can get paid to buy, online retailers that everyone already knows that you can get paid to shop at, and you know, and then big rewards brands that were, you know, the top and are the top selling brands on Amazon, best performing brands on Amazon. They are now here on TrueNited on this platform, and you know, you can be, but here you can be paid to buy them. You can be paid to shop with those brands as well. And so this is no small thing that's been put together. You know, the opportunity here is extraordinary. And so I just want to encourage you to head on over to our team site at TrueNightTheWorld.com. And you can join right through our team site for free, and you'll be on board with us, and you can, you know, choose to participate at whatever level you want to. You can just be a customer, you know, just be a member, TrueNited member, and just shop and get paid on your own shopping. Keep it a big secret, and you ain't got to tell anybody about it, and have fun with it that way. Or you can, you know, go, you know, crazy with it and tell a bunch of people about it and build a, you know, huge organization, huge business, and make an incredible amount of money and change your financial future forever. You know, whatever it is you want to do, TrueNited can afford you. You know, can afford you. Whatever it is you want to do, you can do it here with TrueNited. And I just can't say enough good about it. I encourage everybody to evaluate it, check it out, see if it's not for you. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you choose to come on board.